Summer is here and the 4th of July is right around the corner, and joining us is celebrity chef George Duran with his grilling tips, recipes, and the shortcuts he uses to make the most of his cookouts. Hey, Chef.
Hey there, it's hot, but stay cool and add some color to your 4th of July barbecue with Smirnoff Ice Red, White, and Berry flavored malt beverage. Perfect in a bottle or can, or in this festive punch. Or use Smirnoff's Red, White, and Berry limited edition spirit to make the America Mule. You can also add Smirnoff 21 to freshly brewed green tea to make my infamous green tea martini. This Capresso iced tea maker makes up to 80 ounces of your favorite tea in as little as 10 minutes and custom brews using this gorgeous glass pitcher. You can adjust from mild to strong with Capresso's flavor enhancer too. Now for the main course, I've cooked up these herb chicken kebabs, or try my mouth-watering pineapple salsa chicken. The key to both of these dishes is a fresh, flavorful chicken. Just Bare Chicken has natural and organic varieties with no antibiotics, no added hormones, and no animal byproducts, and of course, no artificial additives. Let's talk about cheese. I'm using Jarlsberg with its mild, nutty, and mellow flavors to make my exclusive burgers. This is the marvelous meltdown with ooey gooey Jarlsberg cheese fondue. And how about my melted Maui Madness that uses pineapples for buns for a sweet and low-carb burger. Head to jarlsberg.com to check out all my recipes and enter their sizzling summer burger contest. Now, if you're looking to complement your summer recipes with a great snack, you gotta try Pop Chips. My favorites are spicy, zesty jalapeno cheddar and sea salt. Plus, they have a bigger crunch line of ridges with buffalo ranch, tangy barbecue, cheddar, and sour cream. They're never fried and have half the fat of regular chips. And for an easy dessert during the barbecue season, we have Hostess Bakery Petites Cake Delights and Crispy Thins. These Cake Delights are white fudge vanilla cake balls, and the chocolate brownie Crispy Thins are the first thin crispy cookie to hit the baked goods aisle. Hostess Bakery Petites have no artificial flavors, colors, or high fructose corn syrup. For more information and all the recipes, go to dailylounge.com. Back to you.
Thanks, Chef.